Hello. In this lab, I have created this topology to make one simulation where we have headquarter in this site. Our FortiGate is the gateway in this site, so it's connected to the internet service provider, as in the last lesson. We have this LAN with 172.16.1.1, which is connected to the switch, headquarter switch. As we see here, we have 3 computers connected. And in this lab, we have a remote side bridge 1, which is connected to our FortiGate firewall with port 1. And in the remote side, we have another LAN, which the third octet is 2. So, to make this site able to go to the internet and to reach this site, we need to configure this network point-to-point 10.10.1.0/30. We need to configure static route from FortiGate to this router, default route from this router to this FortiGate, so all traffic arrives from the LAN 2, will be forwarding to the FortiGate. And we need also to activate DHCP in this FortiGate for the remote site. So let's start our configuration from our router. So double click here. This is Cisco router. So it's okay, and that's it. So this config terminal, enter, interface G1/0, no shutdown, IP address 10.10.1.2 20/30, so 252. Description to headquarter and interface fast Ethernet O/O, no shutdown, IP address 172.16.2.1 255.255.255.0. Description LAN, and that's okay. So DHCP IP, HCP relay source interface. So we have configured this interface fast Ethernet O/O. Now we need to configure IP DHCP helper address 10.10.1.1, which the IP address of the FortiGate port 1. So, and now to make all its work, We need also the static route or default route correctly. IP route .0.0.0 as 0.0.0. Next top is 10.10.1.1, which the port 1 of the firewall. It's okay. Right. Yes. Ping 10.10.1.1, no reachable. And that's okay. Okay. Now let's see this PC in remote site and show IP. No IP is assigned yet. So IP DHCP. No server is responding now. And that's okay. Now wait.